Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Yamaha DTX Pro drum trigger sound module and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this hard reset for one of two reasons. The first is troubleshooting. If you're having issues with sound, or if the module is not responding, or if it's not acting right, if it's glitching in any way, you can just go ahead and do a hard reset and that will fix a lot of those issues. The other thing is, if you have a bunch of settings configured on here and you just want to start fresh and have everything wiped to the factory default settings like when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that, and it's quite easy to do. All you're going to do is you're going to use the menu button to open up the menu, and then from here you're going to toggle through and select reset. So it'll come up with reset over here. You'll hit this button over here to select the reset, and then it will come up with a confirmation screen, and it'll have a yes and a no, and you'll just hit the yes over here, and that will completely reset this to the factory default settings.